If you have kidney disease and want to slow down the damage caused to your kidneys over time, you need a kidney-friendly eating plan. A kidney-friendly eating plan includes foods that go easy on your kidneys and help cleanse and repair your kidneys to stay healthy for a longer time. Plus, it also ensures that certain minerals in those foods, like sodium or potassium, do not build up to high levels in your body. It can also help prevent other serious health problems and control high blood pressure and diabetes, which can prevent kidney disease from getting worse. So today, let's learn about some of the best foods to cleanse and repair your kidneys. Number 1. Grapes. The reason why many experts recommend grapes as part of a healthy diet is the many benefits they offer for people with chronic kidney disease. It helps improve heart health, manage blood pressure, protect the eyes, and prevent many health conditions from developing, including many types of cancers. They are also a good source of vitamin K and B vitamins, like thiamine, riboflavin, and B6, which are essential to maintain and improve kidney function. Various researchers have found that resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant present in grape seeds and skin, can be effective in protecting the kidneys, especially in diabetic patients. Moreover, resveratrol's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties reduce the risk of damage due to reduced blood supply to the kidneys. In an animal study, resveratrol was found to have a protective effect in the kidneys of rats that were suffering from tissue damage caused by a lack of oxygen supply or ischemia. The bottom line is grapes and grape juice can help prevent or reduce kidney damage due to obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, and even chemicals and toxins. Adding a glass of grape juice, or at least 15 grapes a day to your kidney-friendly diet, may be good enough for your kidneys to repair as per the recommendations from the National Kidney Foundation. But more than this amount might be harmful if you already have kidney disease, as grapes contain potassium. Moreover, if you are taking medications for certain heart conditions or blood thinners, your doctor might advise you to limit your grape juice consumption. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are often referred to as superfoods for kidney patients. But why is that? Blueberries contain fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and several antioxidants. About 1/2 cup of blueberries has 40 calories with around 2 grams of fiber. Moreover, a 1/2 cup serving of blueberries has less than 150 milligrams of potassium, making them a low potassium fruit for people with kidney disease. Not only that, they are also low in sodium and phosphorus, making them suitable for a kidney-friendly diet. Another main reason is that blueberries have been shown to have the highest antioxidant levels among most fruits and vegetables. The main antioxidant compounds in blueberries are flavonoids. Among these flavonoids, anthocyanins are believed to be responsible for many of the health benefits of blueberries. Blueberries might also help your body maintain cholesterol levels and manage blood pressure and blood sugar levels. 1 cup of blueberries provides 25% of the daily recommended value of vitamin C, which helps prevent further kidney damage from inflammation and speed up the healing process. According to the National Kidney Foundation, about 1/2 cup of blueberries is safe to eat for people with CKD, including those undergoing hemodialysis, having kidney stones, and even those who recently had kidney transplants. Number 3. Fermented foods. Your gut and digestive system need to be healthy because simply keeping them healthy can reduce your risk of developing many chronic diseases, including chronic kidney disease, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and several types of cancers. Some experts say that fermented foods can be used to improve both gut and kidney health, as the gut microbiome plays an important role in not only digestion, but also in lowering inflammation. Fermented foods contain probiotics that promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria and support digestion. Plus, they produce certain anti-inflammatory compounds when they digest food, which then help lower inflammation and protect our body from damage caused by toxins or free radicals. Another reason is that as kidney function declines, urea and other toxins start building up in the bloodstream. Particularly urea can build up inside the gut lining and can gradually damage the lining of your digestive tract. This can lead to the thinning of this lining, which often results in harmful bacteria from the digestive tract entering the bloodstream. Some research studies have found that people who have chronic kidney disease often have a lower number of friendly gut bacteria than others. So, incorporating fermented foods into the diet can help eliminate urea and other toxins from your body, improve nutrient absorption, helping to cleanse and repair your kidneys. But it is important to take fermented foods in moderation, especially if you have kidney disease. Some of these foods might be high in sodium, such as kimchi, while others, such as yogurt, can be high in potassium and phosphorus. Sauerkraut can be a good option, and live probiotic bacteria are also available in supplement form. So, consult your kidney dietitian to add the appropriate amounts of these foods or supplements according to your personal needs. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is also considered a superfood for people with chronic kidney disease. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in olive oil, especially oleic acid, can have a positive impact on heart health and may also help in the management of diabetes. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil contains only a small amount of saturated fats and sodium, making it a suitable option for people trying to manage their intake of these compounds. Other nutritional benefits of extra virgin olive oil mainly come from oleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may slow down chronic kidney disease progression. Furthermore, the lower amounts of potassium compared to other oils make it preferable for patients with chronic kidney disease, as they are usually advised to lower their potassium intake. However, it is important to note that even extra virgin olive oil should be used in moderate amounts, as excessive intake can lead to weight gain and other health problems. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil are considered safe for most people, but it's also important to consult with your kidney specialist before making any changes to your diet if you have kidney disease or are at risk of developing it. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is traditionally used to help treat high blood pressure, high levels of cholesterol or triglycerides in the blood, and hardening of the arteries. It is also often used as a natural support for treating conditions like the common cold and osteoarthritis. Taking garlic powder by mouth or with other ingredients might help slow the hardening of the arteries, which can help improve blood flow to the kidneys. Moreover, taking garlic powder by mouth might lower pre-meal and post-meal blood sugar levels in people with or without diabetes, potentially lowering the risk of kidney damage due to high blood sugar. According to some studies, it works best if it is regularly taken for at least 3 months. Moreover, during a study, taking garlic by mouth daily for at least 8 weeks reduced total cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein in people with high cholesterol levels. Not only that, some researchers found that taking garlic by mouth might reduce systolic blood pressure by about 7 to 9 millimeters of mercury and diastolic blood pressure by about 4 to 6 millimeters of mercury. So we can say that garlic can also lower the risk of kidney damage due to high blood pressure. Finally, allicin, which is one of the most important antioxidant compounds in garlic, can help lower proteinuria and offer protective effects on the kidneys. Garlic has been safely used by adults in doses of up to 2,400 milligrams by mouth daily for 12 months. For garlic supplements, it's a good idea to look for the ones that have a protective coating, enabling them to dissolve in the intestine and not in the stomach. But you still need to speak with a healthcare provider to find out what dose might be best for a specific condition. Number 6. Onions. Onions are highly nutritious vegetables that offer several health benefits, including improved heart health, better blood sugar regulation, and slowing down kidney disease progression. Onions are also rich in flavonoids, especially quercetin and allicin. These powerful antioxidants can help lower inflammation, lower triglyceride and cholesterol levels, improve blood sugar control, and help protect against many types of cancers. Onions have low levels of potassium and at the same time are a good source of chromium, which is an essential mineral that helps with carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. Eating onions regularly may also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for people with diabetes as well as prediabetes. A 2010 study conducted on 84 people with type 1 or type 2 diabetes found that eating 100 grams of raw red onion can significantly reduce fasting blood sugar levels just after 4 hours. As diabetes is a major risk factor for chronic kidney disease, managing this condition and preventing high blood sugar can effectively prevent kidney damage and slow down its progression. And lastly, onions are a good source of fiber and prebiotics, which help promote gut health. When gut bacteria feed on prebiotics, they create short-chain fatty acids that help strengthen gut health, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and enhance digestion. You can add onions to various dishes or can use onion extract for medicinal purposes. It is considered safe when used as medicine in doses of up to 900 milligrams daily for up to 12 weeks. Side effects might include stomach pain and heartburn. Number 7. Apple. Most scientists and nutritionists get excited about apples because of their antioxidant power. When you eat apples with their skin on, it gives you 2 to 6 times more antioxidant power than apples without their skin. Many scientists believe that these antioxidants can slow down the growth of cancer cells, slow down CKD progression, and also help protect kidneys from further damage. Apples are not only a good source of fiber, which can help with constipation, but also provide vitamin C, which is important for healthy tissues, kidney health, and the immune system. It can help you feel fuller for longer periods, but is low in calories, and may help control blood sugar as it has a low glycemic index of 39. Apples are also low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, which makes them a great choice for kidney patients. They are considered safe to eat for most kidney patients, including those undergoing dialysis and transplant. Number 8. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits provide high levels of vitamin C that help protect and heal your body in general. Not only that, citrus fruits are high in pectin, a fiber that helps reduce cholesterol and controls diarrhea. According to the National Kidney Foundation, drinking 4 ounces of or a half cup of concentrated lemon juice added to a glass of water once a day may benefit the kidneys. Lemons contain citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stone formation by binding with calcium in urine. Eating citrus fruits can also be good for your heart health. In fact, a study found that people who consumed more of these fruits had lower rates of heart disease and stroke. Furthermore, their soluble fiber content and flavonoids may help improve cholesterol levels by raising good cholesterol and lowering bad cholesterol and triglycerides. However, some people are allergic to citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruit, limes, or lemons. Itching, burning, or swelling of the mouth and throat are some of the most common reactions you might experience if you are allergic to them. Some people might also experience headaches or gastrointestinal distress. Number 9. Salmon fish. Salmon is one of the best sources of the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, commonly known as EPA and DHA. Omega-3 fats are usually considered essential, meaning you have to get them from foods or supplements as your body cannot create them. Generally, most healthy adults are recommended to get a minimum of 250 to 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day. EPA and DHA offer several impressive health benefits, such as lowering inflammation, lowering blood pressure, reducing the risk of cancer, and improving the function of the cells that line up the walls of your arteries, resulting in improved blood flow. Some studies have shown that people who had higher levels of seafood-derived omega-3s in their diet had an 8% lower risk of developing CKD. While other studies have also shown the effects of omega-3 fatty acids on lowering creatinine and even proteinuria. Moreover, some researchers have also suggested that getting these omega-3 fatty acids from fish can increase levels in your body even more effectively than consuming fish oil capsules. Fresh salmon provides about 4 grams of omega-3 per 100 grams compared to canned salmon, which contains about 1.3 grams per 100 grams. In simple words, if you consume at least 2 servings of salmon per week, it can help you meet your body's omega-3 fatty acid needs. Number 10. Cherries. Cherries can be another healthy food option for people with all stages of kidney disease. Why? Because cherries contain only trace amounts of sodium and are low in phosphorus. Sweet cherries may have more than 200 milligrams in almost 1/2 cup, while sour cherries are considered a low potassium food, having less than 200 milligrams of potassium per 1/2 cup. Cherries provide a good amount of vitamin C, fiber, vitamin B6, and magnesium. Another reason to prefer sour or tart cherries over sweet cherries is that they have more vitamin C and as much as 20 times more vitamin A than sweet cherries. One more thing about cherries is that they contain many antioxidants, which support the immune system and heart health, and may reduce inflammation in people with chronic conditions, including chronic kidney disease. If you want to know more about how you can improve your overall kidney health, make sure to watch these videos too.